Let me ask you something. If someone watched how you spent your last 3 days, would they believe you're serious about your future? Or would it just look like distraction, with small moments of effort in between? Because most people aren't lacking goals. They're lacking control over their day. They react to everything, notifications, mood, comfort, and by the end of the day, nothing meaningful gets done. So instead of trying to fix your life overnight, just take the next 30 days seriously. Not perfectly, but intentionally. Start with your mornings. The first hour decides your direction. If your day begins with scrolling, you've already lost control. So for 30 days, no phone in the first hour. Wake up, think, plan, take control early. Next, choose one task that actually matters, not 10 small things. One real task that moves your life forward, and finish it before you relax. This builds focus. Now look at where your time disappears. There's always one main distraction. Cut it down. Not forever, just for 30 days. You'll be surprised how much time comes back. Then repeat this every day. No overthinking, no restarting, just consistency. Because 30 days from now, you won't regret working harder. You'll regret staying the same. So start now and prove it to yourself.